Hello, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management, bringing an important update about the economy and the investment markets. We're off to a good start in 2017. Of course, earnings season has just begun about a week ago, and I'm happy to say that corporate earnings are actually in about a 6 to 8% growth, and also the sales of these firms are also in the growth stage. I like what I see for 2017. Not that we're not going to have some bumps in the roads and some pullbacks, potentially maybe even to the magnitude of what we saw in 2016. But I like what I see. Corporate earnings drive equity-based prices, and we're starting to see the Federal Reserve raise interest rates, of course, and we're seeing moderate inflation, which tells me, generally speaking, we should see a continued expansion of the U.S. economy. We've seen a lot of geopolitical events in the last month, and I want to address that just a little bit. Normally, when you have the kind of geopolitical events we've seen with North Korea and with Syria and Russia, normally we would see bigger pullbacks, probably in the 4 to 6% range in the equity markets, but we really are not seeing that. And the reason I feel is the world is starting to realize there's a different sheriff in town, and I firmly believe, again, whether you're Democrat or Republican, Trump is conveying a message to the world that the U.S. is coming first and that we are not going to put up with issues or problems coming from other countries. Once countries realize you're a strong leader or have strong leadership, they're less apt to bother you or pick on you, I guess is a good way to put it. I like that because that really does help stabilize things a little bit more. That's not to say that things may not heat up more over in North Korea. They may. But at the end of the day, if you don't have sound financial policies as a government, if you don't have sound policies with your military and how you're going to handle problems, people tend to walk all over you and your portfolio. I like what we're seeing again in 2017. I firmly believe we're going to continue through this year's expansion. We're doing a lot of work on a recession, and we currently are looking at 6 to 9 month time frame out, not seeing any signs of recession. And again, that's updated daily and weekly within our research. And if we need to get defensive because we see an overheated economy, of course, remember, clients, we will do that automatically. But again, no signs of recession, and we don't expect a recession anytime in 2017. But of course, it is a daily grind and a daily research project for myself and my team. If you have any questions about your portfolio or any concerns, please call the office. If you have any referrals you'd like to refer to Resney Wealth Management, remember, we always appreciate your business and we appreciate referrals. Make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day.